my armor. Just got here. Just took it out of the box there. I'm gonna open this sucker up. It's heavy as shit, which is good. Alright, what do we got here? We got resistance tests and order form. Some stuff. Nice sticker. Looky. Kidney plate. Yeah. Protecty. Very nice. Tucson, Arizona. 20-year shelf life. That ought to last a while. Assuming I don't get shot at. Excellent. Oh, yes. Chesticle plate. Yeah. Spartan. Oh, man. This is going to get me in shape. I'm going to wear this every day in the shower. Not really. Yes. Yeah. Puggle thinks it's a good deal. Yeah. Oh, that's right. The vest itself. Used my other appendage. Pull this out of here. Nice. That's a cool little vest. A little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be. But it looks about right to me, so perfect. Now we'll put those in there. I'm excited to try it out. Cool.